I'm making noise.
So I finally found the original video of the I'm making noise video trend or TikTok trend. So this has to do with a man whose name is Olanrewaju Ishola. He's a Nigerian that was flying from Cairo, that is from Egypt to Nigeria using EgyptAir. So he actually explained in detail what really happened. I believe what have been trending is the few seconds video showing the man who said, I'm making noise. Then he started shouting. So he said, very disappointed with EgyptAir. I was treated badly during my trip from Cairo to Nigeria, and my baggage is still missing. Customer service has been poor, and the whole experience has been stressful and frustrating. Based on my experience, I will advise people to think carefully before using this airline. Passengers deserve respect, proper communication, and timely handling of their luggage. So he said it was because of this that I don't even know if he's the one who said I'm making noise, started shouting, or he's among the people who were in that video who, we are complaining of the bad service they got from the EgyptAir. But I will let you watch the full video.
Don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to do. That's why they don't want to do. Don't tell me what to do.
Don't let it do by yourself. It's not a passenger. What's that?
Start doing the video. You said I shouldn't do anything.
We're begging you.
You can do the video. What law is against it? Please tell me what law is against it. Can you tell me the law that's against it? Hold on. Can you tell me the law that's against it?
We are ready to go to jail. I'm making noise.
No, can you tell me the law that's against it?
Who are you? What do you want to do?
I'm a passenger.
What do you mean they're making noise?
What do you mean they're making noise? You motherfucker, they're doing you. We both have a ticket. That's a man. I will not just say. Don't go, my man. I know it's my man. Don't
doesn't make any sense.
Well, done now. 1 week now. 1 week. You take my hand luggage. Everything you took it from me. I don't have nothing. I freeze down drunk now. When I get to Nigeria, I'm going to give you. But I'm running more. I'm not dying. I have a lot of shoe in my bag. I have twice.
Like I said, I'm a ground staff and I'm just based on when I address you because you were
what information you gave us last time? The information is not correct.
Wait, it
was it.
Partly correct. You people were more than this. Some of them got that.
None
of us got. We have a group chat. We have a group chat. None of us got our bag.
None of us.
I can assure you, got their bag.
Sir, I can bet.
Don't do anything. None of us. Don't swear. Don't swear.
Yesterday,
those people that got their bags was from Saturday, last week Saturday people, not even Monday, not Tuesday, not Wednesday.
Play that video, how they treated us at Sky at that stupid hotel.
Like percent, what is your hotel name?
Listen, one thing is let's address one at a time. Your bags, let that. For that one, even though you are habituated fairly at times in Cairo, during this season, there are so much pilgrims and all that. At times, they can put you where you don't like. Usually it's always a 5-star hotel. But when there's so much pilgrim and all that, they'll just use other hotels. On that, or the job, but really, your bags, if you don't get it in Cairo, you have said, if you check, when from the destination they brought in you with big aircraft. When you go to Cairo, they brought a small aircraft. They are bringing small aircraft because
we use small aircraft from Manchester, not even big one.
Most destinations are big. So when you go to Cairo, they use a smaller aircraft. Yesterday they brought a bigger aircraft. Now we are agitated to bring another one. Either tomorrow or next tomorrow.
But you said day before yesterday it was coming tomorrow. Yeah, it was coming yesterday.
All the bags we arrived.
Those bags that came were not even Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Let me tell you guys.
It was not super. If you want to know everything, everywhere was smelling. Everywhere was
Some people arrive on Saturday, they don't have their bags. Those are the people that saw their bag yesterday. Not we that we arrive on Friday. This is not good. It's not good.
they bring their bags to their doorstep.
But yeah, Nigeria government should talk to EgyptAir airline.
That's what we want.
The way they are even treating us in Cairo is not good. It's not good. And honestly speaking, when I get to Manchester, I'm going to report this to British government. I swear, I will not collect less than £5,000 on this thing. But I just want to get my bag here and finish the rubbish in Nigeria. I know where they will treat us nice when I get back there.
Yes, we have been waiting for you. We are waiting for you guys.
Honestly,
That's why I told them. Now one of them, come. No, come. If we take anything, you know how this thing works. Hold on.
Madam, do you know where I'm going to?
I came back 3 days ago. My son yesterday. One bag and 2 times a week. He did not have any clothes to wear.
Like we are nobody.
You got to tell Egypt citizens go there.
I'm arriving now, so my bag should not come now. It has never happened.
You know what
I'm a foreign flyer. It has never happened before.
This is airline. I don't use that to Cotonou. Before you reach Cotonou, your luggage don't Cotonou. Why did they go reach to Nigeria? You go reach Nigeria, go spend 3 days. Your luggage never reach here. Why? The government don't see all this where they have to avoid you. People don't
Very useless. People in their country, they are very useless.
This is airline. I don't use that to Ghana. Before you go reach Ghana, your luggage don't take Ghana. But you can't go to Nigeria, you go reach Nigeria, go spend 10 days. Your luggage never reach here. Why? People you have a big plane. You don't carry a big plane.
There are some people who say before yesterday. They haven't seen their bag till now.
None of us. When did you come back? Today, it doesn't matter what your luggage, airport, come with you. Let's go back.
Me, I love social media so well. I'm going to tweet.
Checking.
Let's follow this.
What is the whole conclusion? What do you want to do? What are you saying?
Stop, camera, stop.